This is the way how I prepare my shellac. I have a cloth, I got a hammer, a jar, some denatured alcohol, a scale of course, and finally the shellac flakes. In this case I'm using de-waxed blonde, but you can buy very different colors and tints. So what I'll be preparing is 2 ounces of flakes, and I use a 1 pound cut, so that would mean that I need 16 ounces of denatured alcohol. So let's weigh the flakes first. Okay. It takes about 24 hours to dissolve it completely, but to make the process a little bit faster, I'll put it in a piece of cloth. All together. And then use an old-fashioned method of just making it a little bit easier to dissolve. That helps a little bit. And the last part is the denatured alcohol. I figured out that this will contain about 7 or 8 ounces. And I need approximately twice as much, so this is the solution, and you can see that it separates, but that's why during this 24 hours or so coming day, I'll be just mixing it every couple of hours a little bit, and then you'll see it slowly dissolve. It's a couple of hours later now, and you can see that it has been resolved almost entirely. I still feel some at the bottom. So I'll come back once in a while, stir it again, and then by tomorrow it should be ready to use. It's a day later now, and it's ready for use. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.